As a business owner, do you feel creating eye-catching ad creatives always means working with expensive agencies? Or as an advertiser, do you struggle to impress your clients with outstanding creatives that sell? Well, meet AdCreative.ai, the most powerful AI platform to generate stunning creatives super fast. We built AdCreative.ai to generate high-performing creatives and texts that give you more bang for your buck. Here is how to generate your first creatives. The first step is to create your brand by uploading your logo, selecting your brand colors, and describing your brand for RAI to get the context. Now that your brand's been created, it's time to put together your first creative project. Step 1. Select creative size and describe your project. Step 2. Write the text on your creative or use the Text AI button for AI recommendations. Step 3. Upload your background or select an image. Alternatively, you can use our free and premium image library with over 35 million free images. Now all you have to do is click that Generate button and watch over 100 ad creatives magically appear on your screen. Besides being extremely easy to use, AdCreative.ai is packed with many other amazing features. After the visuals, your messaging is the second most important thing in an ad. Use our Text Projects feature to generate ad texts that resonate with your target audience. But perhaps the most powerful utilization of RAI is to analyze your best-performing ad creatives. Just connect your ad accounts on our platform and get all the insights on your winning ads. Also, did you know that you could upload your own creatives to AdCreative.ai and even score them with RAI to understand which one will perform better? How about that for a value ad? And talking about value add, 2 is always better than 1. With our platform, you can collaborate with your team by inviting them. Let teamwork make the dream work. And if all of this was not enough, and you think you want an even more personalized platform, you can get a white label solution with your branding and your style. Before we go, we would feel incomplete if we didn't mention Batman. For those who like to work late at night, AdCreative.ai Dark Mode is also one click away. Supercharge your creative game with AdCreative.ai.